Kenny, why are you so sad? Are you missing your childhood days? Are you missing the days that you and me could just both watch Power Rangers and have the time of our lives without even caring about the bills or the water? Do you feel like the adult world is getting you drained out of energy and you feel fucked up because you didn't expect it to be this difficult? If I gave so many men a time machine, they would have gone back in time to relive their childhood days. And that seems normal. But the big question I want to ask you is, what would you do? That's the big thing. So hey guys, it's NJ, we're back with another video. In today's video, we talk about why you give the past too much credit. This is why you guys are stuck in the past. You see, you guys end up thinking that the past was so fucking awesome, or that it was great. I used to play video games, I used to do this, I used to do that. And yeah, most of us actually had very shitty past, but because our present is not as good as we want, we tend to glorify the past. But majority of us actually, our past is not that awesome. If you did have an awesome past, then kudos to you. But to be honest, you still have to change your future. The reason why you're not going to be where you want to be, the reason why you would never reach the levels of the superior men or the guys on top, is that the guys on top, they might even have had a shittier past than you. You don't know how many guys and millionaires I've seen whose past was shittier than mine, but their future is so fantastic. All that energy you used into saying, oh, the past is fucked, I hate the past. Why don't you just make the future awesome? Let's make the future awesome. The future is the only thing you can change. You and me, our past sucked, okay? It wasn't that awesome. You're busy looking at the great side of the video games, but shall I remind you that your family situation was probably not that good? There were probably some problems. Maybe it was a drug-related issue, maybe it was a depression-related issue, maybe it was a heartbreak-related issue. Everything's in the past, but you're not analyzing this thing. You're analyzing this thing with your feelings, but to be honest, the past does suck. The only way me and you can do right now is if you're one of those guys that you feel, but Jeff, it's normal. The question is, did you join my channel to be normal or to be exceptional? Because that exceptional thing, we haven't changed. Over here is ground with energy, excellence, 120%. When people go 100%, we go 120, and we ground for excellence. It's good motherfuckers we be. So that's the main thing, guys. That's the main thing. You have to be future oriented. You have to set a goal in stone. I want you guys to be on the mountain and be looking at where you want to be. Every single day, looking at where you want to be. And I'm telling you that your life, even though it seems shitty right now, is going to be awesome. It's the power of being future oriented. Be future oriented. Stop living the past. It wasn't that peach. It wasn't that perfect. It wasn't peach perfect. It had its shitty moments as well. But the future is 100% in control of our hands. We mold the future as men into what we want it to be. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. And subscribe to the video. I love you, boys.